Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll walk you through how to create Roblox account. It's very simple. Follow the steps to end. First, download the app from Play Store. You create account. Here, follow the step carefully. Say here, date of birth. So I was born 1st January 2000. So I'll choose my date of birth, 1st January 2000. You confirm. The second one too, it says username. So you click. You see, it's having 3 options. Make sure you follow all the 3 options. So username, I'll click. Yes. So you follow the steps. Watch the video carefully. You do same. Here you see it is here. They say it's not already used. Doesn't match with the end. Okay. So underscore. Good. So make sure here I'll put my password. So gender optional. The first one is female and the second one is male. So I'll click on it. Now I'll click create account. Yes, it's loading. Yes. Save password. So this is how you create the account on Roblox. Can you subscribe to my channel? Bye bye.